components of a ceiling fan. This is a ceiling fan. Now we are opening this and checking its different part. Put the cap. Let's go to the second fan. There are three components in the ceiling. The cap, main rotor, and this rolls the rotor in the roll structure. As you can see, this is our components and tools to check it. All metals. This is maybe alloy or iron and all is metal. This is open winding and yeah, this is metal sheets. You can see metal sheets, a bearing and a spring there. See? Yes. These four wires is connected to these four wires. And after all,